Over the last couple of days, we've seen a low-pressure system affect the weather over the western part of the country. Now on Wednesday, that low still remains along the west coast, bringing in a few isolated thundershowers over the western interior. We've also seen isolated thundershowers form in the northeast on Wednesday afternoon, but with the highest concentration of thunderstorms extending throughout the Eastern Cape and along the south coast, with some of those larger thunderstorms bringing in hail over the interior part of the Eastern Cape. Tomorrow, we're expecting very similar weather, with thundershowers forming in more or less the same area as what we saw today, with a mostly sunny day for much of the Northern Cape, and we're expecting some rain in the second part of the day for the Western Cape. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for the possibility of localized flooding over parts of the Western Cape on Thursday, and that's indicated in the shade of red. It'll be a partly cloudy and warm to hot day along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with a high of 30 degrees for Richards Bay. We keep around that high as we head further inland with the possibility of thundershowers. Umtata 31 with thundershowers in the forecast for the Eastern Cape. Queenstown at 30 with a warm Thursday in store for East London at 27. 23 degrees as we head into George, with thundershowers reaching the south coast. Beaufort West with a daytime high of 28, and we can expect some rain and mostly cloudy weather mainly in the second part of the day for the Western Cape, with Cape Town and Hermanus both topping 24 and Langebaan and Worcester at 25 degrees. Dry as we head further up the west coast though, Springbok mostly cloudy, dry but cool at only 18 degrees, with a predominantly sunny forecast over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, and we're expecting that dry weather over the western part of the Free State, but with isolated thundershowers in the east and a maximum in the mid-20s. We're forecasting highs of around 30 for the northwest with the possibility of thundershowers. We're expecting quite a bit of cloud over the northeastern part of South Africa on Thursday, with a high of 27 degrees for Polokwane, with the possibility of thundershowers. Palabor at 31. Still hot as we head into the Lowvelds, Kokuza at 32 degrees, with maximum temperatures in the middle and upper 20s for the Mpumalanga Highveld, with a mostly cloudy day and the possibility of thundershowers. In fact, similar weather is expected for Gauteng, Johannesburg and Soweto both at 27 degrees, and Pretoria just shy of 30. On our wind map, you'll see a fresh northeasterly wind along the east coast, with a fresh northwesterly wind for Cape Town and fresh wind speeds over the western and southern interior. On Friday, we're still expecting rain along the coast between Springbok and East London, with thundersshowers in the northeast and fine and dry weather over the central part of South Africa, with things drying out over the western part of the country on Saturday. Hot for Gauteng with the possibility of thundershowers, and we'll see that rain spread up the east coast and all the way through to the far northeastern part of the country. That's all from me for now. Stay well.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com